ilong ko. Oh, yan dami. Dami naging init pa, alas 3, alas 4 pa ako naglaba pag ginain. Ayaw mo lang kulong.
Nakawin mo ako.
Ito nga aaway sa akin eh. Hindi na nag-amon.
Di ba nagagamitin?
Bakit? Uy na. Hindi ko kilala yung Nana. Yung Lexi lang kilala ko. May moves naman si Lexi.
Pero yung kasama niya may...
Baka kapatid na yun. Ba't
Hindi lang yung kasama.
wow.
Nakakainis kasi.
O ba't di ka na mag-aamon? Sorry na. Uy, sorry na.
Inaayos ko mo yung...
Oo nga, bawiin natin. 70? O mataas pa din yun. Eh kailan mo gagamitin yun? Dalawang talo lang naman tayo.
Nanalo tayo ng isa kanina, parang hindi nga nadagdagan yung pag-first match.
Kailan mo gagamitin yung amount? 79 na lang siya forever pero yung matches same na. Pwede ba yun? Ha? Sige na nga. Ano? Maglalaba ka na din. Hindi mo gagamitin yung amon. Hindi mo gagamitin. Ano? Sorry. Hindi, laro na. Ito mo, alam mo na. Luluhod ako para magpatawarin mo. Maglaro ka na ng ML kasama ko. Tayong dalawa lang. Mag-aamag kapag tayong dalawa lang. Tapos magdididi ako. Oh. So yan. Yay! Sorry na. I love you. Sana mainit. Magagalit si Lord. Holy Week na iinis ko. Kasi kapag di ka pag nainis ka pala, malulungkot na ako. Lord. Sasama mo. Ah?
Lalaban na ako.
Ayaw, sama mo ko. Tama.
Okay.
Alam mo. Alam mo. Ano oras na lalaro ulit? Lalaro ka ba? Ano oras? Ah, 6? Okay, wait kita ha. Message ka lang. I love you. Ba't di ka nakatingin? Kanina ka nakatingin ha? Oo, hindi ka nakatingin. Bye-bye. Hindi na kita awayin, promise. Within 2 hours. Within 2 hours or after 5 p.m. pasado, pwede na.
Sige na.
Ako din, maliligo na rin ako. Goodbye. Message ka, laro ka. Okay, I love you. Ka nakatingin. Kanina ka nakatingin ha. I love you. Pero tinakpan yung mata. Bye. Sige, baba ko na. Patingin nga ng ano. Ilang araw yan ang tatagal? Okay, bye-bye.
We can do it! Time to shine!
I love the smell of gunpowder in the morning. One shot, one kill. Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Spirits of Northern Vale! Baby! In America, we call this a cupcake because it's a small cake that is baked in a cup. We call it fairy cake because it's little like fairy.
Shake my hand in character.
Guess who I am?
They're trying to be. They're trying to be. She wanted me. That bitch is.
Play the
We Can you do a Siri voice, please? Okay. Hello, my name is Siri.
Creepy games.
Is it the things that I get for putting you bitches on? Is it my fault that all of you bitches gone?
My baby, you my little spider.
Creep.
They forget my name. They call me Hell. They call me Stacy. They call me Her. They call me Jane. That's not my name. That's not my name. That's not my name. That's not my name. They forget. Wow! I'm Korea!
Bitch, I'm stylish. Black talk, big t-shirt, Billy Eilish. Watch on my wrist, but I want that diamond. Niggas talk crazy when
Open up the safe, bitches got a lot to say. Pussy in your face, had to put you in your place. 7 letters.
yellow teeth. I'm a doctor.
Thank you in advance. I don't wanna dance. I don't need your hands all over me. If I want a man, then I'ma get a man. But it's never my priority. I was in my zone before you came along. Thank you. I walked across an empty land. I knew the pathway like the back of my hand. I felt the earth beneath my.
Is what, but they don't know what is what. They just strut. What the
Making Morgs think he's trapped in a time loop.
I got you McDonald's.
He's poorly.
Oh,
There's only 5 nuggets. What the heck?
bye. Get some rest.
30 minutes.
Mom, you're not gonna believe this, but I got an A on my math test. You just wait till you.
Minecraft pero bawal ako.
I ordered an
Minecraft pero bawal ako mag-English part 2. Teka, nasan ako? Ba't ang taas ko naman? Paano ako bababa? Ang layunin ko lang pala ay makahanap ng... Ano Tagalog nun? Kailangan ko makahanap ng Esmeralda. Wait, tatalon ako dito. 1, 2, 3. Ayos. Grabe, saan ba ako makahanap ng Esmeralda? Grabe, pinakita na agad tong barangay. Sana may Esmeralda dyan. Tabi, meron kaya dito? Mukhang wala. Meron ba yung Esmeralda? Ala, teka. Wag. Dun kaya? Wala. Ala, biro lang yun. Wait, sarado ko lang yung pinto. Ayun, 3 pa. Ang alam ko, wala naman ako nasabi English na salita. Kaya sa tingin ko nanalo ako. Panis. Minecraft pero bawal ako mag-English.
I ordered an iPhone from the
Nothing I'd rather do. I'm stuck with you. And drive me insane, baby. Run your mouth. I still wouldn't change all this loving you, hating you. And there's nothing. In my dreams.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Bombastic side eye.
Now come the soldier who carries a mighty sword. He will tear your city down. Olay, olay, oh Lord. Olay, 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 oh Lord. He will tear your city down. Olay, olay, oh Lord.
Whoa.
extra time to hear this out. God love us with all of his hearts. He will come soon. As he appeared to this world, he will guide.
Bakit ikaw, sayong-sayaw? Bakit ikaw? Dora and I are the same. Meron ba kang makinig sa kanila? Pagkat di nila alam kung anong
I just wanna have and I know
Sa kapunta to the moon, road trip, brum brum, skirt skirt.
Pati ko pa rin naman sa isip ko. Too many things about my
Atid mo akong dami. Ooh, diling.
you write it like so me and look like Saturn just like oh no, white
So I messaged Sovisva to say,
wala akong pake kung
Hoy,
umiyak ka ba? Umiyak.
don't get
Kung ayaw.
so upset.
It's a beautiful message. Yeah.
And now you won't stop.
1, 2, 3, 4. I say disco, you say party. Disco, disco. Party, party. I say disco, you say party.
Replacing my boyfriend's chapstick with lipstick.
Don't act suspicious.
United States, Canada, Mexico, Panama, Haiti, Jamaica, Peru, Republic
Replacing my
I hope it's romantic.
Don't know it, you're out. Eminem Edition. Part 2.
Sometimes it feels like the world's on my shoulders. Everyone's leaning on me.
My ex-boyfriend's mom just... So I saw the new Mario movie today.
Ay, tita.
Ay, pasok kayo, Ineng. Wala kayong klase ngayon?
Opo, wala po.
Ah, ganun ba? Kumain na ba kayo? Di pa kami nakain, ma. Ah, sige, magluluto ako. Diyan lang kayo, ha? Ay, ayan. Luto na. Oh, Ineng ito, oh.
Ito pala ng bahay niyo, be.
Kuha na kayo dito ng spaghetti.
Eh, nagawa mo na yung assignment mo, be.
Ha? Anong
Yung
assignment
ano?
yan? Ano, be? Ineng itong spaghetti
Assignment
mo.
sa ano, be?
Baseball game today? You were specifically told no fighting, no swearing, and no drinking alcohol. And I caught you bashing that kid's head on the floor shouting, "Don't touch my bloody beer." You were specifically...
To wash the baby's hair.
Okay, this exorcism will be a little bit more complicated, but not to worry, I have just the thing.
To wash...
Without you, it's hard to survive.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest.
Don't even think about it. You were specific... You were specifically told...
Hello, I'm here at the UK premiere for 1946 with the director herself, Rocky Rojo. Thanks for the invite, by the way. Oh, you're welcome.
Alright, let's go.
So I'm here today at Megacon. Wait!
Behind you!
Oh my god!
Y'all, my eldest daughter, militant lesbian that she...
Is it okay to wear a...
What are they called again?
TikTok?
Well, Tom.
If God doesn't like homosexuality, then why did he put the male G-spot in the rectum?
Awkward G-spot.
Hello!
Oh dear.
Hey TikTok, will you stop pestering me to receive messages?
Play a song! No, I couldn't.
Nah, I couldn't possibly...
Who's your favorite?
I'll do you.
I'm so excited.
So as an atheist, I'll do you one better.
If God doesn't like homosexuality, then why did he put the male G-spot in the rectum? That's called checkmate.
I'm so excited for this.
So as an atheist,
Do you believe in evolution?
I do.
You believe we came from monkeys? Then how come there's still monkeys in their...
okay, if you.
What's the matter? Lives flashing before your eyes.
You hit me in the head with the...
And now the end is near.
Do you or do you not feel bonita?
I feel bonita.
Wonderful, because you look bonita. Do you...
The joke that broke Australia.
So I think it's hilarious when someone messages.
So after making a video, you know, time and...
And which fictional character would you love to beat the shit out of? I'm going to go Jesus. I'm going to go Jesus. And it's going to be when he's on the cross. It's worse than you thought it was. It's me just piling on. Which fictional character would you love to beat the...
And the Lord said...
Which fictional character would you love to beat the shit out of? I'm going to go Jesus.